Hi, my name is Kyla Plaxton. I'm with Acupressure Academy. I've helped thousands of people relieve various pain symptoms using acupressure, and today I'm going to show you a neck pain relief exercise that I personally use as part of a Qigong session that I do to help prepare myself to give acupressure that also opens up all those meridians and accesses those opening just like the pressure points do. Okay, so this is going to help. If you have neck pain, please write it down in the comment section below. And my goal is to help you decrease that pain. And I would love it if it was at least 50%. So if you write down what your current pain percentage is out of 100, then we can measure that and see if it works. Okay, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to this video and help support acupressure getting into the homes just like yours. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so this is called the clock stretch, and basically we're gonna move our neck in most of the clock number areas. Okay, so just tilt your head forward just a little bit. Just try to move your neck based on my voice, and try not to look up at the video. Okay, so we're going to tilt it forward, and let's move it to the right a little bit to 1 o'clock. Stretch it down just so that you feel that nice pull, and then try to drop that left shoulder and breathe. And you can go to 2 o'clock. A nice deep breath. And 3 o'clock. Good. And back to center. Tilt the head forward and down, and let's go to 11 o'clock on the left and drop that right shoulder down. And then, sorry, I didn't say this before, but if you pull just a little bit, just gently on your head there, and pull that neck down a bit. You want to be so gentle. Less is more. And then to 10 o'clock, a little tuck on the head here using your hand. And nice deep breath. And then 9 o'clock on the left. Drop that right shoulder. Bring that gently to the center again. Raise that head up. Beautiful. How was that for you? If you have any questions or comments, you can put that in the comments below. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone who's dealing with neck pain or neck stress or headaches or anything that has to do with this area, please share this video. Let's see if we can help them too. Let's put this video to the test and write in what your current neck tension is, and let's see if the clock stretch helped. I love to see and measure and see how it's working for people. It helps me learn, see how I can support you better, what you guys need. I really want to be here to support you and serve you the best I can. And I have limitations over video, so all your feedback is really helpful. All right, I welcome you to the Acupressure Academy community, where every Thursday I come on live and I can help you and support you and answer questions and all of that to help you relieve your pain symptoms and activate that energetic field so that everything's flowing and you can be the best version of yourself for yourself and for the people that you love. I will see you next week. Lots of love. Bye for now. 'Cause the morning sun is stretching every smile.